The Dove is a modern two-story interior unit townhome that features exquisite Spanish architectural detailing and includes 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a 2-bay garage on 1,309 square feet of living space. This design features a welcoming covered front porch and conveniently places the laundry room and master's suite on the first floor, fully paired with a luxurious master bathroom featuring dual sinks and a spacious walk-in closet. The second floor is designed for entertainment and interaction with an open concept layout that connects the functional kitchen with great room, dining, and access to balcony space through the double sliding doors. The 2 secondary bedrooms are also located upstairs, as well as a full bathroom with linen space. The Dove plan also offers an option for a second master bedroom in lieu of bedrooms 2 and 3. And because Lennar is the only home builder to offer everything's included homes, the Dove also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you have come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.